Hi, welcome back. This short little video is going to go over the assignment that is related to the information that we've just covered in the past few videos. So this assignment is going to allow you to actually apply everything that we covered. So looking for ebooks, looking at the video streaming databases, and then looking at the databases to find academic articles. This assignment is worth 10%, but it's going to be graded out of 5. I'm going to ask you to complete your work as a document or a PDF file, and I'm going to ask you to upload it to Blackboard before midnight on September 24th. I wanted to give you lots of time to be able to get comfortable with the library system before completing this assignment. For this assignment, I'm asking you 5 questions. The first question, I'm asking you to find a specific ebook called Nursing, the Ultimate Study Guide that's written by somebody called Nadia R. Singh. I'm going to ask you to give me the year of publication for that book and ask you to give me the first word that you see on page 51. For number 2, I'm going to ask you to use the Films on Demand service, and I'm going to ask you to find a film on one of 4 topics. I'm going to get you to give me the title of the film, the length of the film, the number of segments. Then I'm going to ask you to watch just one of the segments from the film and give me the title of the segment and the length of the segment. And then, in 2 or 3 sentences only, I'm going to get you to tell me what you learned from watching this segment. Number 3, I'm going to ask you to find a specific academic article. And for this one, you're going to be using EBSCOhost, and the sub-database that you want to use is HealthSource Nursing Academic. The article that you're looking for is called Hoarding Disorder, Diagnosis, Assessment, and Treatment. Once you find the article, I'm not asking you to read the article, but once you find the article, I'm going to ask you to give me the publication date, so the year, the author or authors' names, the title of the journal, the volume number, the issue number, the page range, and, if there is one, the DOI. Question number 4, I'm going to ask you, using the sub-databases for health sciences, to find any article about a topic you know well, college students and stress. And when you find the article, I'm going to get you to pull the information about the title of the article, the publication date, the author names, etc. For question number 5, I'm going to give you some more choice. So I'm going to ask you to think about a disease or a condition that you find interesting. I'm going to get you to find an article on that topic that you personally find understandable. I'm going to get you to read the article and briefly summarize the main idea or main claim that's made in the article. The summary that I'm looking for here really is just a sort of short summary. So if you can tell me in, say, 5 to 10 sentences what the particular article was about, you're doing that question correctly. Okay, don't get carried away and write me a whole essay or anything. Truly just a little summary is what I'm looking for. Also, as a hint, when you're choosing your article for question number 5, make sure that you look at the number of pages that your article is before you commit to making a choice. Remember again that some articles can be hundreds of pages long, and for a 1-point question, you don't want to end up with an article that's overly long. Okay, you want to end up with something that is manageable. You're going to be uploading this assignment to Blackboard. I'm going to do a short little video just reviewing how to upload using the Blackboard system. Remember, though, if you have any questions as you're working through this assignment, that you can use the library chat function, so you can get a library technician online with you right away, or you can come by to our course chat sessions at the time for your specific class and section. Thank you very much for working with me this week. I know that the information that we've gone over can be a little bit dry, but I'm hoping you're just as nerdy as I am and you actually find the research process exciting. It really is like a treasure hunt as you find all of these wonderful pieces of information that you can use to increase your knowledge base. I'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.